What's up YouTube, it's your boy Josten back with another video. Thank y'all for tuning to this special video today. And if you're new to this channel, I want to learn more about men's fashion, everything you need to subscribe to this channel. I got from the sneaker reviews, how to style this, how to style that. Everything dealing with men's fashion is on this channel. So what are you doing right now? Subscribe. I upload every week. Hit the notification bell. Don't forget to follow me on my Instagram and my TikTok. I got styling videos on there. Everything dealing with men's fashion. Definitely do that. But today I haven't done one of these in a while. Boohoo Man clothing review. I know I ain't did this in a long time. I know y'all been asking, looking like, I've been, I took a little break from Boohoo Man. I'm not gonna lie to y'all. I've been, experiencing other brands and stuff like that. But, I'm back on it. You know what I'm saying? Shout out to Boohoo Man. This ain't the sponsor video. This is me purchasing. So, all the size and everything y'all need to know. Y'all know y'all can hit me up. Check out my vids. Check out the description below. I'm gonna help y'all out through that. But we're gonna dive in what I done copped when I say on the website. Then lately they've been dropping some heat. Not gonna catch y'all. So we're gonna jump in what I got. Them sets, like it's summertime, so this is a summer haul. So y'all know everything gonna be like shorts or short sleeve. I ain't got no pants, jackets, not right now in this video. But I've seen this set that's pretty dope. They got these what is it called, like Crockett? Yeah, Crockett knitted little sets. And I did get a size medium. Hope the mediums fit pretty good, but y'all already know I always get size medium because they stuff already is oversized. If you say oversized, get a medium. If you're a true like medium, if that makes sense. Get your shoe size on the say oversized. But if it don't say oversized, it's okay to go a size up. Cause oversized is oversized. So I got a size medium and oversized, and this look pretty good, you know what I'm saying? It look pretty oversized. And we got this knitted Crockett set, this green and cream. I have this red Crockett t-shirts that I can see. Same material, just that red and the size medium. Of course, it's oversized. I really like that red. That red is nice. Check out the details in it. That's what I really like. They really stand out. Check out, y'all see them details? Yeah, that's nice. And it's gonna keep you cool in the summer and everything. So come on, y'all. You can't go wrong with it. So next we do have the blue one right here. We do have the blue Crockett t-shirt. Check it out, check it out. I like that blue. That blue and white gonna stand out. I got some Travis Scotts that can go with this shirt. And yeah, these is gonna be nice. So, and this is size medium also. So, you know what I'm saying? This is more like on the casual, little fit, but you know what I'm saying? It's pretty dope. I saw this striped shirt. This is also, is this oversized also? Yeah, oversized, and this is size medium. This is a plain, like, pinstripe, blue and white, oversized shirt that I can wear with my pants. I got some white pants that's gonna go with this. This also casual, I'm coming casual this summer, y'all. I do a little bit of streetwear too, but the casual stuff is just, it just hit different. So I do got those too. And we're gonna jump into the next bag. Kind of forgot what I got. So, oh yeah, so now I got this like this crop like tank top, but check out the material of it, man. It's like that rib material. It's really thick, soft. Yeah, so I got this in the size medium. Of course, it's oversized, like a crop, muscle tee, or however you want to say it. Can't go wrong with the plain, tee with some baggy pants. Y'all gonna see the style in a minute. Oh, we're gonna get into that later. Gonna finish this up. Oh, and this is the bottom to that Crockett shirt. I just shows out a green and cream one. This is the set. So y'all seen the shirt. Now this is the shorts to them right here. Check out the shorts. The shorts look real short. So man, I hope they fit pretty good. But I'm not gonna lie, these look pretty short. So we're gonna see how these fit. I ain't been expecting that. I don't want them that short because you can just tell from like where it stopped it. I kind of want it like right above the knees, but this looks like way like at the thigh. But we gonna try them on, what I'm saying? Like at the end of the video, I'm gonna be trying all this stuff on so y'all will see. Y'all gonna see how it fits. And let's see, I got a white shirt. Oh yeah, so I got this white. Oh yeah, I got the workout gear too. We don't mind seeing that right now. We're not even gonna go over that right now. We're gonna go over like just the style and stuff right now. And I did get some workout gear. That's pretty dope because now I know I've been in the gym now. Now the tank, Now this other tank top is just like the black one that I showed y'all. This is the cream version, and this cream version is white cream, whatever you want to call it. Yeah, this one is dope. Check it out. The same material, soft, boxy fit. Yeah, it's dope. Can't go wrong with it. And next I do have, so now we're gonna jump into the workout gear. So the workout gear, you know, I gotta get the workout gear. I got the muscle tank. Y'all see the training department. Y'all see that on there. Boohoo Man. That's a nice little training top. And I did get some caps. A cap, a Boohoo Man cap. If y'all seen it, these really been trending lately. If y'all seen them on TikTok and everything like that, they have these, like, you know, these little workout caps on their head. So I did get a pair of this, and these are comfortable. This one look a little small, but we're gonna see what it is. But it got the man on there and everything. So I thought that was pretty dope. And I really like this shirt. I just didn't get this one just for working out. I'm gonna work out in this too, but I just like these type of like washy, you know what I'm saying, this washed out type, you know, training department, tank top, muscle fit. So yeah, I got that too. So that's all I have for the Boohoo Man haul, man. Like I said, I will be doing more of these. Y'all check out my Instagram and TikTok. Y'all see like a quick styling with these outfits, these materials and stuff like that. So thank y'all for viewing this video. Make sure I hit that like, subscribe, share the video. Man, go check out my other videos on TikTok and Instagram, my shorts, all that good stuff. If y'all loving it, please hit that like button for me. Hit the subscribe if you haven't already. And I'll see y'all on the next video. Peace. I'm out.
NT, you made this?